Alright people, we did have to go answer my phone. So what that was is the wife carried the kids them gone about them sports, karate and to their basketball. And she called me to tell me say for watch the oven because she left food in the oven and the oven on. Anyhow, back to what I was saying before. The politicians in Jamaica are now calling for the execution laws to be reinstated. For them start pop people neck again. For them start hang people. Let me tell you something, Jamaica. First of all, I'm going to say this. I'm going to say it on the last video, but I don't know who see the last video or who I go see it, so I'm going to say it again on this video. I firmly believe in the death penalty. You see, when you go rape off or not even rape off, when you go there with the little girl them, and you go breed them, and then one time you breed her, you go kill her, because you don't want to go tell people say, big man like you, they don't have sexual relations with her. And you think that the best thing for you to do is to go kill a little picnic. Then for pop your neck. Then for hang you. You see one time, you see people work hard for them things, and you sit on the roadside idle every day and no one get up and go look a walk. Eh? Or no one get up and go find something to do, constructive, or go be an entrepreneur. If the work not out there, go create work. You hear me I say? Because enough people do it. If you're one of them people that will wait for hard working people, for gather them things through hard work, and then you go kill them off in the process of trying to rob them. Them for pop your neck. Them for hang you. No qualms about it. You see, if you are one of them people that will broke people's house, and when you're going there to go rob them, you buck up on them and you kill them in there and they're sitting there. If you are one of them people that will run up and down in a Jamaica with gun and have people have your head twist up, and you start turn the gun on regular citizens, now me not talk gunman life, you know. Because you hear what I say? A Jamaica me come from, so. I mean, I say me know gunman life, but me know how that thing that work. Me's a military man, but me know how the gunman life work. In other words, if a street you're there and you run street and you're in that the kind of lifestyle there, and you angle your business amongst them people there. Shatter kill shatter, that's a shatter business. You see what I say? Them man them don't really feel say you figure pop them man the neck. Cause once you get involved in another lifestyle there, you know what the consequences are. But if you are harassing and molesting and abusing the hard-working citizens of Jamaica that are not involved in any criminal activities, hear me say again, if you are bringing this kind of destruction to the average citizen of Jamaica that is not involved in any criminal activities, you can't say grandma go church, dog. And you know grandma not bother nobody. And you go lick down the woman for your cell phone. And the woman dead. Then if you pop your neck. You see what I say? Now, here is what me have a problem with bringing back the hanging thing in Jamaica. Or reinstating the death penalty in Jamaica. This is what I have a problem with. I have a problem with the fact that enough man they are prison in Jamaica when they're supposed to be in prison. Then people are creep up people and go lock them up and dash them in a jail and dash them in a prison, and the people them in there and not even know why them in there. So Jamaica does not have a right to a speedy trial. So you can sit down in a prison in Jamaica or in a jail in Jamaica for the longest with not even an explanation of why the hell you are there. That's how I talk about. So I don't want to jump and say, yes, bring back the death penalty, and the whole of them wicked people there pop their neck. And then before you know it, is a whole heap of innocent people that get executed. See, Jamaica, it's okay to bring back the death penalty if you really are going to fix up your justice system. But the justice system of Jamaica is broken. Law enforcement is deeply corrupted. And with them things, two things there. The government, the politicals, them people there, were in a politics, the politicians, deeply corrupted. The justice system in Jamaica, the law enforcement system in Jamaica, I should say, deeply corrupted, especially the blood clean police force. Now, what is to stop them from executing innocent people? Like I said, Jamaica needs to overhaul its laws. People need a right to a speedy trial. Man need to know, say, when you lock up man under suspicion, that your suspicion have to come out right away. That means that if the evidence is reviewed immediately and it points somewhere else, then you have to let go of the person you're holding on to. In a Jamaica, no so you go. They lock you up and you sit down there for one long time and then tell you, say, we are review evidence. All 2 years later, they still are review evidence. And all you're sitting there on is an accusation. Enough people, they lock up and hold them where they, and then when them let them go, they let go of people them like nothing ever happened. Now if them did have death penalty, me feel so enough of them people that would have get executed, and then after you take away a man's life now for something we never do, you still have to go find the real criminal. The real criminal did out there, still a commit the crime them, and you murder off when I citizen them. So I support the death penalty, but to a certain degree. Only if Jamaica fix up the justice system, only if Jamaica really take an honest look at corruption within the ranks of law enforcement, then we can start talking about cleaning up the country and reinstating the death penalty. One more thing I gotta say before I get out of here on this video. One of Jamaica's biggest mistakes, you see, was disarming the citizens. Then the average citizen in Jamaica should own a gun, or should have a right to own a gun. If you are a law-abiding citizen, nobody don't have nothing to worry about if you own a gun. Because you're not going to pick up your gun, go shoot nobody, and use it rob nobody. You are a law-abiding citizen. The only reason you're going to need a gun is to protect your family and to protect your personal property. You understand what I say? So, by Jamaica disarming its average citizen and leaving it where only wealthy people and business people, and you have to go through one bag of rigmarole to get gun license, and then to maintain the gun license, the fees them so high, the average person can hardly or can't afford them. When you go through them kind of things there, it leaves the people at the mercy of criminals. Because, remember, you know, criminal don't care about no law, you know. So criminals are going to get them gun regardless. You hear me? Criminals are going to get their guns regardless. And when them have them gun, and the poor little citizen them don't have no gun, one want them to fling rock stone after people who have gun. You know, see, say, the thing set away. I mean, know a lot of people are going to say, yeah, shut up that shit because America, you live, boy, and over there so a gun country, and we don't want Jamaica turning up. Listen, Jamaica is leading America in murder rate. And remember, you know, a 50 state, you know, 50 state in America, you know. And in the state where me living in Florida, you see, you can fit a couple of Jamaicans into Florida. You can fit a few Jamaicans into just this one state. And a 50 of them state there. So how big America is. You know why the murder rate here, and of course, yes, every day you hear somebody get shot at foreign. And that's true. It is very true. But look at the population here in comparison to the population that is in Jamaica. More people there in our state and New York than the entire island of Jamaica. You see what I say? So, with that said, you must expect them things that for go on. But when Jamaica is outdoing the entire United States of America in murder rate now, come on now, man. The little island where everybody look like they know each other, and they only take a couple hours to drive from one side to the next side. Me I drive to Texas, come couple days I come from Florida, and 15 hours of driving MapQuest tell me something I have to go do. Me not have to go Jamaica and drive no 15 hours. Me can drive out the whole of the island in 15 hours. It don't take nothing to reach from one side of Jamaica to the next side of Jamaica. Especially now that them have all these highways and byways. You know what I say? So, with that said, little Jamaica leading the big old United States of America in murder rate. That is something to be said. You know why America now lead you in a murder rate? Because people here have the right, them constitutional right, to bear arms, meaning them can have them gun. Average citizen. My first gun me buy here was a shotgun. And the only thing, I was 18. That's it. I had to be 18. And I wait till my 18th birthday and the first thing I get was a shotgun. A pump action shotgun. And the only thing I had to do was go in there with my driver's license, fill out some paperwork, wait for them to do a background check. Me and no criminal, my background check come back clean. And I go back, the man called me from the gun store and said, come pick up your gun. And congratulations on your ownership. That has been my first gun. And me I buy a gun from since then. And me I own them from since then. And listen, people don't really break into people's house here like that. And people don't really run up on people like that here. And say, me I rob that boy there, you know. And see him I work hard. And you sit down for a roadside idle. People will pitch you over. You have granny. We have shooting range everywhere. That means and instructors everywhere. So people here get training for bust them gun. Who want training? You have some granny. We have some big sitting in their house. So if you want to lose your life, you go into the business of breaking into people's house or breaking into people's cars or robbing people here. Because I can assure you that sooner or later, one of these gun owners are going to pitch you over. And I believe that in Jamaica, if criminals knew that it is normal for the average citizen to own, rightfully, legally, own a weapon and use it to defend themselves in the face of criminal activity or violence brought towards them, the place would have been much, much better. I love my island. And when I come there, I don't get no drama. And me not see no, me see it, me not lie, me see drama. But me not get no drama personally. But me see what I go on. You see what I say? Anyway, people, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Now, sir, I'm out of here, man. Leave your comments. SouFLoTV, bless up.